How to find recently added contacts on iPhone. Go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Type in Find Contacts in the search bar and tap on it. Here, go to Sort By and then select First Name from the options. Then, go to Order and select the contact order you want. For example, Z to A. After that, turn on the limit switch below and choose the contact limit. Then, go to the search bar again and type in Show. From here, select Show Result. Now, tap on the play button at the bottom right corner. As you can see, you will be shown 5 contacts starting with the letter Z according to your settings. Tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily find recently added contacts on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.